Okay guys, so now we're only left with J and K, and once you see that this is to finalize everything, you can go ahead and total the amounts we have. I did that and this is what mine looks like. I total trade and other receivables. This is the amount I got. I totaled my loan amount and I added all my current liabilities. So I have all my liabilities amounts, and that's where I am at the moment. And now I'm going to go ahead and look at net asset value per share. I really hope that you have gone ahead and learned the formulas for all these items. So you need to go learn all the ratios, learn all the formulas, okay? All of that. So we know that, I'll write it for you here. It's gonna look a little weird, but we know that net asset value per share is equal to ordinary shareholders' equity. So your shareholders' equity divided by the number of issued shares. Okay, so it's very important that you go ahead and you learn this. So from this, we can now we know that we have the net asset value per share, which is 6 Rand 20 or 620 cents, which is equal to ordinary shareholders' equity. Let's go to our balance sheet. We don't have ordinary shareholders' equity. We don't have this amount. So that's what we're trying to calculate here. Because we do have the number of issued shares, and the number of issued shares is 675,000. Do you remember that we calculated this earlier? Here it is. 75% of 900,000 shares. So our mystery here, what we're trying to calculate is ordinary shareholders' equity. We're going to move this around. This is division, so now it becomes multiplication. 6 Rand 20 times 675,000. This will give us our shareholders' equity. Easy, right? And then we can use it to balance everything. So once again, our shareholders' equity was calculated by saying 675,000 times 6 Rand 20. And then you should get a shareholders' amount of 4,185,000. We can use this to get our ordinary share capital. This is our balancing amount. And so why is it so small? Okay, so we can now say, hey, we have 4,185,000. We have 520,000. And that's not 520,000. So we can now use the balance. We can now use that to balance, and we should get 3,665,000. Okay, so that's how I used my net asset value from, what was it, from J, okay, to calculate the shareholders' equity. So I hope you're all okay and still following.